This is an introduction to the new USIBD website. This website is built on top of Drupal, which is a SQL database-driven website. The Home tab is a little different than the traditional tab. We have the menu, and below the menu we have a rotating banner. Currently this is 3 images which rotate through as a slideshow. Idea being that whatever current new idea we'd like to promote for the month, that would just simply be an image and would rotate into this series. Upper left, we have our primary advertisers, which are currently just a couple of our business logos until we have advertisers lined up. And below the banner, we have the latest news, along with our latest events. And I've chosen for the news to have a graphic image rotate through, along with a title. There is a pager down below where you can simply start scrolling through. This is the latest news, meaning that the last, I believe, 10 news articles posted will rotate through this, not the last 100. I can set this to be whatever I want. Currently it's about 10. Below that is a footer, which will appear on every page, which includes media links, donors, and alliance partners, and then also a secondary advertisers link at the lower right. Membership, about, and committees are pretty much the same information that we have seen in the last website. And if I open up any of the particular pages, you'll get the full information. And again, I've asked for a particular web representative from each of the committees, and they would have access to editing this information at will. And if we need to link more pages out of here, it's fairly straightforward to do. I'll go back and talk about it as a whole. This behavior that you see on the Committees tab is pretty consistent across the site, in that I can choose to show the title as well as a teaser. So this teaser can either be automatically pulled from the existing content of the page, or it can be a separate thing that is written as a teaser to the main body that you would get by picking the Read More. Standards page is directly from the old website. I've combined news and events. News and events are here, and if you pick that tab, whereas on the first page you had a medium-sized image and a title, here you also get the teaser. So like the committees, there is a teaser associated with each of the news articles. It doesn't give you the full text, but on any of these you can pick Read More or pick the title, and it will open up that page for you to take a look at. And I do want to call attention that this is the public interface. So this is somebody who has not been logged into the website. They cannot post comments and they cannot read comments. I will do a separate video talking about the different levels of rights once you get into the website. But for now, I'm going to move on to the resources. This was a tab requested by one of the leadership, or several of the leadership committee members, in some of the reviews of work that I've done so far. And I've placed a location for different links as well as downloads are both on the resources. As this gets more filled out, I will probably split it into 2 pages in the same way I did news and events, but for now it is as it is. Just like the news, as a public user, I'm only going to get access to those downloads which are open to the public. We'll see in my next video that when I log in as a USIBD member using the username and password, I will actually get more downloads accessible to me. And that's it. So on to the next video.